In this video, let's fix the issue where your Ethernet cable is connected to your laptop or PC, but you don't have internet access. I'll walk you through a few methods, so stay with me until the end. If one solution doesn't work, the others might. First, open the settings on your computer by typing it in the search bar. Navigate to Network and Internet. Select Ethernet and click on your connected network. Make sure it's set to private and ensure Set as Metered Connection is turned off. If that doesn't solve the problem, head to the control panel and click on Network and Internet. From there, open the Network and Sharing Center and select Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click your Ethernet connection, choose Properties, and double-click Internet Protocol version 4.0. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter: 8888 at the top and 8844 at the bottom. Click OK, restart your computer, and check if the issue is resolved. If you still don't have internet, try running the Windows troubleshooter. Go to Settings, open Update and Security, and click on Troubleshoot. Then select Additional Troubleshooters, choose Internet Connections, and run the troubleshooter. Follow any steps it provides to resolve the issue. If troubleshooting doesn't help, you can reset your network settings. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, scroll to the bottom, and click Network Reset. Tap Reset now and restart your computer. Still no luck? Let's update your network drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click your Ethernet adapter, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to ensure you're using the latest version. If that doesn't work, go back to Device Manager, right-click your Ethernet adapter, and select Uninstall. Then, scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver automatically. And that's how you can fix the issue with your Ethernet connection. Now, if this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.